Well, these are the products that I've got that I'm going to try to make the stuff to keep the mice out. I've got some pine saw. People say that mice don't like pine saw. So I'm just going to use that to clean my floors. Over here I've got castor oil, some peppermint, and these are the little cups that I'm going to take care of, and then the cedar shavings. And when I get done, the end product is going to look something like this. This is one I did yesterday just to test, and didn't have any mice last night, so I'm going to make 4 of those and put them around the RV and see if it makes a difference. Well, here's the final product. There's 4 of these. It's got the castor oil, it's got the peppermint oil, it's got the cedar, and now I'm just going to place them in different parts of the RV, and we'll see if we get visitors tonight. It doesn't smell too bad, and it costs a whole lot less than if you were going to buy those little pouches. And I think I've got enough stuff to make, at least 30 of these, and I think it was under like 25-30 bucks. So we'll see. Once again, I'll keep posting, you keep watching. Thank you.